hot today. We need water, quickly. Oh, no water? That's strange. Bino, the water has stopped.
I'm on my way, Niki.
Oh no! Help!
It's got the pipe. We shouldn't scare him.
Use the trailer.
Understood.
This will wake him up. This will wake him up.
Smells delicious.
Look, he's going in.
We made it!
Yes! The pipe is broken.
Don't worry, Niki. I'll fix it.
I can fix this quickly. Let's get to work.
The water is back.
Thank you for the snack. Always be kind to others, even if they cause problems by mistake. Kindness solves everything.
Harvest Day is finally here. These are the biggest pumpkins ever, Niki.
Those yummy pumpkins will be mine. Catch me if you can, farmers.
Oh no! The prize pumpkins are gone! Stop right there, Thief Taka!
This will slow you down.
Whoa! That was a close one!
No problem for my big machine. Oh! Eep! This mud is too sticky! My pumpkins.
Got him! Safe and sound, safe and sound.
Running away is over, Taka. I am sorry. I made a big mess.
Clean up and help us instead of stealing.
Teamwork makes the harvest faster. The harvest is safe in the barn.
This pie tastes better when shared. Ha 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 ha!
It's so good.
See you next harvest, everyone! Fun!
Don't take what isn't your. Working together is best.
Let's build the best beach park!
Deep and wide for more sand.
Steady and high.
Making the way smooth.
It's almost ready. It's almost ready.
They didn't invite me to play.
Crash. No park for them. Take that.
Oh no! Our playground is a mess! Look at these huge marks!
A giant was here.
Follow those tracks, friends.
I'm stuck. Help me.
He is the one who broke the park, but he's in trouble. Don't worry, we will help you.
Take my hand, buddy. We'll get you out.
You can do it.
Grab the rope, Mr. Dino. Ah! I've got it. Pull.
Heave ho!
Why did you save me? I was mean to you.
No matter what, everyone needs a friend.
Because we want to be your friends. Friends help each other.
I'll put it back. I'm sorry.
More blue here, please.
The beach park is open for everyone!
We are a great team.
Being kind can turn a big scary dinosaur into a big best friend. Remember to help others, even if they were mean before. See you next time.
Let's build the winter castle.
Digging deep for the walls.
Making ice.
Steady and high.
Almost ready for the festival.
Too much light, too much noise. Crash. No more castle. My belly.
Oh no! Our castle is broken!
Look, the Yeti was here.
Everyone is trapped!
Help! It's too cold even for me!
Hold on! We'll get you out! Take this, friend. Hi!
We are here to help you.
I am sorry I broke your castle. I was just lonely.
Let's fix it better together!
I'll make it stronger!
Look how it sparkles!
Big slide coming through!
It's going to be beautiful. The Winter Festival is open.
This is fun!
Best friends in the valley!
Helping others turns a grumpy neighbor into a great friend. Teamwork makes every dream come true. See you next time.
Let's build a forest school. Oh.
This hut is too small and old. We need a new, strong school for our friends.
Exactly.
Safety first, friends. A big storm is coming! Storm is coming! Run! Everyone, run!
Everything is falling.
The wood wasn't strong enough for the storm.
We need the heavy machines to build a school of stone!
Let's clear the mud.
Cleaning the foundation, team! We're doing great!
Deep and strong.
Here comes the concrete!
This school will stay forever. Keeping the base cool.
Great job! Yeah.
Looks perfect.
All right, team, let's get those walls secured. Lifting the main walls.
Steady!
Almost there.
Easy, girl! Down, down, down!
Yes!
Woo! Good job, team!
A perfect fit.
We did it!
We did it.
Hooray for teamwork.
Make it look beautiful.
Sparkling and safe. Open for learning.
Welcome to our new forest school.
Cheers to teamwork and school. Grow tall with our wisdom.
When we work together and build things with a strong foundation, we can keep our dreams and our education safe forever.
Teamwork, almost there! Wow, look at that view!
This is the spot!
We made it!
Okay, we're here. Let's get these planks unloaded.
No!
I'll mark the spot.
Wow!
Where did it?
We did it!
Hmm.
So proud! A mountain storm is coming! Oh!
Look out! Watch your heads!
The wood wasn't strong enough for the mountain wind.
We need the heavy machines to build a tower of steel and stone.
All right, over here, Character B. Look at that mess. Got it, Niki. Let's get this cleared.
Clearing the path for a new start.
Deep foundations for a tall tower.
We'll build it right!
Here comes the concrete. Oh, back up, beeping. Looks good over here. We're ready for the pour.
Oh, this will never blow away.
Oh, keeping the base strong. Lifting the main tower. Steady, almost there. Down. Just a little more. Oh, perfect. We did it. Hooray! It's a perfect fit. We did it. Make it shine for the stars. Sparkling and ready.
Run! You are making it ready.
Time to see the stars.
Welcome to our new star station!
Hooray!
Hooray! Cheers to teamwork and the universe! Ah! A garden for the mountain! When the wind knocks you down, don't stay down. By working together and building on a strong foundation, we can reach the stars.